what questions do you get from the commodities industry currently? And what does your solution contribute to more efficiency and transparency in trade finance and in trading at large, which has suffered from fraud, especially in the past 12 months?
Absolutely. Thank you for the questions. The first thing is, unlike some of the people here, we are a Singapore-based company, and so we are in the middle of emerging markets in Asia. And so I would say we are in the middle of this storm in terms of funding and SMEs. What we have and what we are seeing is a great number of the traders in emerging markets that tend not to be asset heavy. So they don't have a balance sheet to fall back on, having real difficulties to do the next trade. A, because banks have pulled out, but B, even if banks are there, if they see opportunities, and emerging markets by definition, because it's a happening place, if you wish, you don't have these long trading relationships that might have been established. They want to do new business and they just cannot. And so the number one question is, what can we do about it? We're seeing opportunities, or we're trying to be defensive. What can we do about it? And I think for us, we have two solutions. One is predicated on assisting our clients in being transparent. There is less transparency in emerging markets than you have in developed markets. The second one is making the funders comfortable with that SME space through various tools. And so I can go into further details, but these twin pillars of one, transparency for the traders, and two, structuring the funding in a way that is, for want of a better word, a bit like building blocks like Legos, where they can pile up funding rather than having to tailor make every single little building block. That is really what we are focusing on.